How to screen record with voice on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Open your control menu, then you can see the screen recording. If you don't see the screen recording option, simply press on this pen icon, press on edit, then you can see, for example, I have no screen recording, then you're able to add it easily. Screen recording, press on done. Now simply press and hold, then simply press the button, then video and mic media, or I want to record with my voice, then video screen will be recording. And you can also add your face as well, like that, top right corner. And if you want to draw something, then it's also possible. Once done, press on this button, then record will be saved. Go to your gallery, then you're able to listen as well, and video will be HD format. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.